Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the recently added files on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the storage section, so press on the storage icon on the bottom, and then we're going to press on this clock icon on the top left. Step on that, and this is where all of the recently saved files are going to be. So you can see the date when they were saved and the files themselves. And that's not where all of the files are going to be located, only the ones that you have recently saved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.